10 mistakes to avoid on your journey to financial freedom. Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Financial freedom is a goal many of us dream about. Living without financial stress, being able to choose how you spend your time, and having your money work for you instead of the other way around. But let's face it, the journey to financial freedom isn't always smooth. There are traps and mistakes that can derail your progress if you're not careful. In today's video, we're uncovering 10 common mistakes that hold people back from achieving financial freedom. We'll not only identify these pitfalls but also give you actionable steps to avoid them. Stick around until the end for a bonus mistake that even seasoned savers and investors can fall into. Let's dive in. The most common financial mistake is spending more than you earn. It's easy to fall into this trap when credit cards and loans make it tempting to live a lifestyle you can't afford. But living beyond your means creates a cycle of debt that's hard to escape. Financial freedom requires living below your means so you can save and invest the difference. It's not about deprivation, it's about prioritizing your future over temporary pleasures. Actionable tips. Track your expenses for a month to identify areas where you're overspending. Create a realistic budget that ensures you're saving at least 20% of your income. Set a rule to only use credit cards for planned purchases you can pay off in full each month. Without a financial plan, you're essentially flying blind. Many people focus on earning money but don't have a clear strategy for saving, investing, and spending it wisely. A financial plan acts as a roadmap, guiding you toward your goals. Successful people don't leave their financial future to chance. They take the time to create a plan and stick to it. Actionable tips. Write down your short-term, mid-term, and long-term financial goals. Break each goal into actionable steps with timelines and dollar amounts. Review your plan annually to ensure you're on track and adjust as needed. Life is unpredictable and emergencies happen, whether it's a medical bill, car repair, or unexpected job loss. Without an emergency fund, you're forced to rely on credit cards or loans, which can set you back financially. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, giving you peace of mind and protecting your progress toward financial freedom. Super actionable tips. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Start small if needed. Save $500 to $1,000 as an initial goal. Automate contributions to your emergency fund to build it consistently over time. On-screen text. Many people put off investing because they think they need a lot of money to start, or they're afraid of losing money. But the longer you wait, the more you miss out on the power of compound interest. Starting early, even with small amounts, is one of the most effective ways to build wealth. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Super actionable tips. Open a brokerage account or tax-advantaged retirement account like a Roth IRA. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs to get broad market exposure. Commit to investing a set amount each month, no matter how small. On-screen text. High-interest debt, like credit card balances or payday loans, can be a huge roadblock to financial freedom. The interest payments eat into your income, leaving less money to save and invest. Getting rid of high-interest debt should be a top priority. The good news is that with a plan, you can pay off debt faster than you think. Super actionable tips. List all your debts, including balances and interest rates, and prioritize paying off the highest interest debt first. Avalanche method. Use the snowball method if you need motivation. Pay off the smallest balances first to gain momentum. Avoid taking on new high-interest debt while paying off existing balances. On-screen text. Your credit score affects more than just your ability to get a loan. It can impact your ability to rent a home, get a job, or secure lower insurance rates. Ignoring your credit can cost you money and opportunities. Building and maintaining good credit is an essential part of financial freedom. Super actionable tips. Pay all bills on time to build a strong payment history. Keep your credit utilization below 30% by paying off balances regularly. Check your credit report annually for free at annualcreditreport.com and dispute any errors. On-screen text. Relying on a single source of income is risky. If you lose your job or face a slowdown in your business, your entire financial foundation can crumble. Successful people create multiple income streams to reduce risk and build wealth faster. Diversification isn't just for investments, it's for income too. Super actionable tips. Start a side hustle or freelance work based on your skills or hobbies. Explore passive income opportunities like investing in dividend stocks or rental properties. Reinvest extra income into your savings or investments to accelerate your progress. On-screen text. Trying to keep up with others by spending on luxury items or status symbols can derail your financial goals. While it might feel good in the moment, these purchases often lose their value quickly and leave you with less money to save and invest. True financial freedom comes from living below your means and focusing on what truly matters. Super actionable tips. Practice mindful spending. Ask yourself if a purchase aligns with your financial goals before buying. Focus on experiences and relationships over material possessions. Remember that wealth isn't about showing off, it's about having the freedom to live life on your terms. On-screen text. Many people leave free money on the table by not taking full advantage of their employer's benefits. This includes 401k matches, health savings accounts, and employee stock purchase plans. These benefits can accelerate your savings and reduce your taxable income. Think of employer benefits as part of your total compensation package. They're there to help you build wealth. Super actionable tips. Contribute enough to your 401k to get the full employer match. It's free money. If your employer offers an HSA, use it to save for healthcare expenses tax-free. Review your benefits package annually and take advantage of all available options. Many people focus only on the present and fail to plan for long-term goals like retirement, buying a home, or paying for a child's education. Without a clear plan, it's easy to drift and fall behind on these important milestones. Financial freedom isn't just about having enough money today, it's about ensuring a secure and comfortable future. Super actionable tips. Estimate how much you'll need for major life goals and start saving toward them. Use retirement calculators to determine how much to save for your desired lifestyle. Set up separate accounts for long-term goals to keep them organized and track your progress. One of the most overlooked mistakes is failing to educate yourself about money. Financial literacy is the foundation of smart decision-making. Without it, even high earners can struggle to build wealth. The more you learn, the more empowered you'll be to make informed choices and avoid costly mistakes. Super actionable tips. Dedicate time each month to reading finance books, taking online courses, or watching educational videos, like your Finance Lab. Follow credible financial blogs and podcasts to stay updated on trends and strategies. Share what you learn with friends or family. It reinforces your knowledge and helps others too. Achieving financial freedom is about making the right decisions and avoiding costly mistakes. By staying mindful of these 10 pitfalls and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you'll set yourself up for a future of financial independence and security. Which of these mistakes resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips from your Finance Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.